Hey guys, I've got a very exciting giveaway. At Mini Master Sports, we want to give back to some of our key workers who are out there keeping our country moving. Now I'm talking all emergency medical and care workers, nursery staff and teachers, postal services and delivery drivers, supermarket staff and everyone else who is working hard. We understand how hard it must be on the children with their mums or dads out working so hard for us all. So that's why we are giving away 50 of our Mini Master footballer games to try and help in making these uncertain times fun times. The Mini Master Footballer is a fun and addictive real action soccer game with crossbar challenges, penalty shootouts and free kicks. Football may be taking a break, but we certainly aren't. You can even customise your player with paints, and when you're not playing, just pop him in his display stand. So, do you know an amazing key worker? Tag them down below and let us know why their family should get a Mini Master. We'll be announcing the winners next week.